The dimensions of the UPVC frames are first cross-checked with the opening at side. The frame is then placed in the position and checked for the plumb and spirit level. Holes are drilled and the window frames are anchored to the walls using adequate anchor fasteners. Finally, the gaps between the window and the masonry opening is filled with weatherproof silicone sealant to ensure that there is no water leakage. Once the frame is completely fixed, the shutters are placed in the tracks and checked for smooth operation, and the locking arrangements are provided.